Hello kids, today we will learn alphabet. Violet, red, peregrine, pink, sky blue, chocolate, Say with me. A. A for apple. B. Say with me. B. B for ball. C. Say with me. C. C for cat. D. Say with me. D. D for doll. E. Say with me. E. E for eggplant. A. Say with me. F. F for fan. G. Say with me. G. G for garden. H. Say with me. H. H for horse. I. Say with me. I for ink. J. Say with me. J. J for jackfruit. K. Say with me. K. K for king. A. Say with me. A. A for lion. A. Say with me. A. M for monkey. A. Say with me. N. N for nest. O. Say with me. O. O for orange. P. Say with me. P. P for piano. Q. Say with me. Q. Q for queen. Q for queen. R. Say with me. R. R for rose. S. Say with me. S. S for sun. T. Say with me. T. T for train. U. Say with me. U. U for uniform. G. Say with me. B. B for ball. W. Say with me. W. W for watermelon. X. Say with me. X. X for X-ray. Y. Say with me. Y. Y for yak. Z. Say with me. Z. Z for zebra. Subscribe for more videos.